Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to resolve player visibility issues in Fivem. First, let's tackle a common culprit, corrupted cache files. Begin by completely closing Fivem. Then, locate your Fivem application data folder. Inside, find and delete the 3 cache folders: cache, server cache, and server cache priv. This process will force Fivem to re-download necessary assets, often resolving many visual glitches and ensuring smooth gameplay. Next, let's optimize your network and firewall settings. A stable internet connection is vital. A wired connection is often best. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if they are blocking Fivem. If this helps, add Fivem as an exception. Finally, restart your router and computer to refresh all network connections, which can resolve many connectivity problems. Now, let's fine-tune your in-game graphics settings. Lowering population density and population variety can significantly help. Crucially, adjust your extended texture budget. Setting it too low can cause invisible roads and objects. Also, reduce grass quality and shadow quality to normal or low. These adjustments can improve performance and ensure all players render correctly. Finally, ensure your system is fully updated. Update your graphics card drivers to their latest versions for optimal performance. If you use any third-party mods or scripts, try disabling them to check for conflicts. You can also verify your Grand Theft Auto 5 game files through its launcher. If all else fails, a clean reinstallation of Fivem can often resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.